Hello and welcome to Keto Eats, your source for delicious keto recipes. Today I've got a very simple, delicious, and easy keto recipe for you. A chocolate keto milkshake. Only takes a couple of steps and it's ready in about 2 minutes. So you're going to start by grabbing a mason jar, or a cup if you don't have a mason jar. I find the mason jar makes it very easy to shake it up at the end. You're going to add some Himalayan pink salt, some liquid stevia, and some sugar-free Hershey syrup. Then you're going to add the last ingredient, some heavy cream. Then you just shake it up, or stir if you used it in a regular glass. And that's it. Simple as that. A delicious chocolate keto milkshake. For exact ingredient amounts, and to check out more delicious keto recipes, click the link below. Thank you for visiting my channel, and enjoy.